there, I'm Niall, and this is Mrs. Robinson from Simon and Garfunkel's classic 1968 album Bookends, and from the movie The Graduate. So the intro goes like this. You've got an E major, and you do a down up on the bass E string. Then you take off your chord, hammer from 0 to 2 on the A string, and then you pluck the D string open, and then second fret on the D string. You need to incorporate that into a rhythm, so it's so you go around that 4 times, and then it's into the verse. The verse has an odd little timing thing where you get a half a bar added in after the first line. So it goes like this. And then you go up to an A7, but that's this sort of A7. The chord diagram here for you. Now there's another little hammering exercise here. So it's hammer from 0 to 2 on the A string, then on the D string, then on the G string. So it goes. So I'll do that with the chord, so it's A7. After that you got a D, a G, a C, and an A minor. And an E, and a D7. And that's the verse. So I'll run through the intro and the verse nice and slowly. Now it's time for the chorus. Chorus is very straightforward. It's a G, E minor, G, E minor, C, and a D. Second part of the chorus is almost the same. So it's a G, E minor, G, E minor, C, A minor, and then you're back into the intro. And that is how you play Mrs. Robinson. So I hope this video was helpful to you. Don't forget to like and subscribe. If you have any ideas for songs you'd like to learn, please by all means leave a comment below. You're coming up with some fantastic ideas.